In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table in Notion. We'll start inside an existing Notion workspace. Here, I'm on a goals tracker page, but the exact page doesn't matter, as long as you're in the place where you want your table to live. Make sure your cursor is active on the page so you can start creating new content. First, look for the option to add a new block or a new database view. In many layouts, you'll see a button labeled Add New near the top or just under an existing database. Go ahead and click that. This is how we tell Notion we want to create something new, like a table. When you click Add New, a small menu or drop-down appears. In that menu, Notion will often highlight some suggested database types. Move your mouse over the highlighted area related to databases. What we're looking for is the option for a table view. Tables in Notion are simply databases laid out in rows and columns, which makes them perfect for tracking goals, tasks, or any structured information. From that menu, click on Table. This tells Notion that you want your new database to use a table layout. After you click it, Notion may show you a few different ways to add that table, such as a new page or inline on the current page. Next, click on the highlighted option that lets you choose how the table is created. In this case, we want it to open as a brand new page, so select New Page. You might see this option multiple times if you're creating several related tables or views. Each time you see New Page, click it to create and open that table in its own dedicated page. This gives you more room to work and keeps things organized. Once your table page is created, look for an Open option if the table is shown in a small preview. Click Open so the table fills the screen. Now you're looking at your new Notion table, ready to customize. At the top of the table, you'll see column headers. To start shaping your data, click on Add Property. Properties are your columns. Things like text, numbers, dates, checkboxes, or selections. After clicking Add Property, choose the highlighted property type you need. For a goals tracker, for example, you might add properties for status, due date, priority, or owner. That's it. You've created a table in Notion and added properties so it's ready for your data.